Welcome everyone, I am Nisha Rathod and we are from Mission Gate. We are having Q&A session with our toppers. Here we have Sneha, Air 390 and we'll be having some Q&A doubts with her. And welcome sir. So congratulations Sneha.
Thank you.
Let us start with your journey. आप अपने journey के बारे में हमें कुछ बताइए.
Actually, IITs मेरा dream था, admission in IITs. But JEE मैंने attempt किया तो JEE was a major failure. So जब मैंने engineering में admission लिया, at the end of first year I realized कि JEE was not the only way. So मैंने discover किया कि GATE is also a way through which I can achieve that dream. So by the end of second year मैंने कोरा पे read किया कि which one is the best institute. तो majority of the answers में previous year students जो सर के थे उन्होंने बहुत positive and अच्छे reviews लिखे थे, experience उनके share किए थे. So I was like नहीं ये क्लास में तो जाना ही है, but मैंने कभी सुना नहीं था विजन गेट लाइक बाकी क्लासेस से. सो मैं थाने आई एंड उस दिन लकीली सर का लेक्चर था एंड सर पर्सनली मिले थे मुझे एंड ही एक्सप्लेन कि गेट क्या होता है. उन्होंने पूछा भी था तुम्हें गेट क्यों करना है, क्या करना है. सो उन्होंने एक्सप्लेन किया कि हाँ अचीवेबल है, तुम कर सकते हो ऐसे. एंड आई वाज लाइक नहीं हाँ जो ड्रीम था वो जो अधूरा रह गया था वो कंप्लीट हो सकता है थ्रू गेट. एंड आई वाज लाइक सर से बात करने के बाद सर बहुत एश्योरिंग थे कि हाँ इतना टफ नहीं है, हो सकता है. सो आई जॉइंड विजन गेट एंड स्टार्टेड माई जर्नी बाय द एंड ऑफ माई सेकेंड ईयर.
Sir, what was your first impression about Sneha?
So actually, if I remember correctly, somewhere she came in April month 2019 for the preparation of a GATE, and as she discussed, right, she was in dilemma, right? Now it was her second chance, and she doesn't want to miss out IIT again. So multiple times she asked only one question, sir, can I do? GATE मेरे से clear होगा? Sir, this I used to tell, right? It is difficult. Out of 1 lakh students, you have to clear, right? 100, 200 are within 1,000 number of students. So she thought, right, it could be like IIT JEE, and it could be the failure exactly in the same way. But once I know that it is her dream, and I explain, there are some differences between the IIT JEE and GATE. And at that time, right, you were actually in teenage, you don't have that kind of understanding, right, self-motivations. And once you are into the engineering, right, you have already passed those kind of phases, and you have already faced one failure, you know, right, you was pros and cons, right, with quality. So she has started preparation for GATE 2021. And it was very good decision actually for her, or anyone who have prepared for GATE 2021, whoever took early decision. Because from March 2020 till Feb 2021 there was a purely, right, COVID-19 situation. If you ask her, she will tell you, right, approximately before the lockdown, even she joined for GATE 2021, I have virtually finished all the subjects except compiler and computer networks. Only these 2 subjects. So once you have already finished all the subjects, right, and she has finished offline everything, right, and I remember Sneha used to sit actually technically into the first or later, right, at most second row of the, right, desk. She never sat down, right, in the last row, third or fourth or fifth. And at that point of time, actually, I used to ask questions during the class, every student, right? So forcefully, you have to be alert. If you are not alert, then you are not able to tell the answers, and some other students will tell the answers. If you have seen, right, you know, the way she is speaking here and earlier also, she is always very soft spoken, right? And she speaks very politely, right? But she has a deep thought in her mind that I don't want to miss out this chance. There are occasions when I ask the problem, she was unable to tell the answer, and there are occasions when she was able to tell the answer. But while asking the problems, what I found, there is a consistent improvement in her potential, and that matters a lot. So initially, let's say I asked simple questions, she was unable to answer the problem. Next time when I ask again similar kind of problems, she is able to respond them, then I increase the complexity. So that was the way actually they are nurtured. And the whole year actually she prepared very well, and she was sure, right, that she don't want to miss this particular opportunity. And what I know, right, she is a personally connected with that particular emotions. And it is not only her success, possibly I want that she should say, right, it is success of her mothers also. Once she got admission into the IITs and she will clear it, it's not that even her mother, right, will find her dream comes true, right, with her daughter career, and that's most beautiful things. In Vision Gate, if you ask, I can tell my each and every students, right, about their family backgrounds, about their thought process, what is their mind, whether they are casual, what are the commitments they have, right, and how they are following and processing, right, whether they are taking any kind of pressures or they are not any kind of pressure. And finally, she achieved a very good rank, and we will definitely prepare for IIT's interview process, coding, right, and still our backend systems are ready. Our students who are actually from IIT Delhi, she just got placed into the Oracle Disha. She has already created the platform for the coding competition for all my students who are actually planning for right now for interview or coding process of the GATE. So just in a couple of days we are going to launch it, and trust me, it's not that advertisement of Vision Gate or anything, it is just Vision Gate Institute. Right. From institute side, post GATE, you are again getting all the possible help, facilities, preparations. People are ready to guide you for your coding, your interview, arranging your mock interview process, such that definitely you will achieve your goal. So we are with you till you achieve your goal.
Thank you so much, sir. It is your personal guidance and attendance that we are having such a nice course with us. So we heard from sir, and everyone else will also agree, that you used to be the student who will study whole day long. What keeps you motivated?
Actually, one of my major motivation is my mama. So she is like, she gave up her own career in order to like strengthen our career. Means she used to take our studies. She used to like keep motivating us. So one of my major motivation was like she used to be my major motivation. Like,
so the same thing I have spoken actually. She was wearing the two things at the same point of time. She would like to achieve her own goal, and whenever maybe she is feeling down, there is another motivation, right, for her. No, right, in this way I cannot achieve the goal which I set for my mother, or whatever she has sacrificed for her career. And that's beautiful things, right? Every students, current aspirants for GATE, or they are not preparing for the GATE, they have some other, right, targets, UPSC, CAT, GRE, anything in your life, right? Learn from the successful candidates, right? So whenever you will feel like it is not always your success, it is success of your institution actually. Your parents, your family, your sibling, your friend, your teachers, right, your institute, everyone success, right? And I always congratulate her, right, that she valued her actually parents' emotion. In today's time we are actually missing, right? Students are not bothered. Sometimes we speak our parents very reluctantly and not in the right way. While she, in her mind, right, this statement was always there, said her mother sacrificed her career for them, so they have to succeed, they don't have any other choice.
yes, sir. And every day my father and my mother, they both are working endlessly without getting tired, like without having Sundays. Or my father is also like, he is not tired. He is working continuously for our future. So I'm like, they are not getting tired. I just have to sit at one place, concentrate, put all my efforts in my studies. So what is my excuse? Like, I have to do my 100%. No, we search for motivation in major successful people, but major motivation means our parents who are working hard. They are at our home, like they are working tirelessly for you, and they are not going to get any benefits. Like, if you succeed, you are going to earn money, you are going to get admission in IITs. But what will they get? But still they are putting 100% every day without even thinking about what they will get. So our parents are like major motivation, and means instead of searching for motivation somewhere else in our world, like the major motivation is at our home only.
Beautiful.
Sneha, you are such a great motivation for all of us. This is so beautiful, your attachment with your parents, and this really encourages all of us to work hard even more further. So we will like to ask you, what were your study plans, how you used to schedule things, since it is hard to sit in a place and study whole day. And you are quite motivating, and your motivation is really a far cry for all of us to imagine. Still giving sacrifice and all the things and sitting at a place, how it used to work for you?
Actually, like I enjoyed studying. Actually, I enjoyed the feeling like, of achieving my daily targets, of achieving, learning these concepts and being able to solve the problems on that concept. So that positive feeling was like my motivation. Ki, हाँ. And I did not plan every day I'll put 6 hours. Some days like Sundays I'll be able to put more hours, 8, 9 hours, and some day when they were college, like before the pandemic, so just 3, 4 hours. But what matters is you should carry that thinking of GATE in your mind, like no, I'm doing GATE, and you should means every day, even if it is 3 hours or 4 hours or 2 hours, every day we are supposed to like put efforts in it. Those efforts will never go waste, never. Sometimes people think that okay, I studied this concept 2 months back. Will I be able to recall it, or if recall it on GATE or like that? But if you studied that concept very well, if it is fit in your mind, that everything you know about that concept, you will definitely be able to solve problems in that exam. Means your effort is never going to go waste like that.
You are such a motivating person, Sneha. I'm really glad to talk to you right now. So apart from studying, was there anything that used to keep you away? Like everyone has this one thing where they will go when they are feeling low, or they're just tired of studying whole day.
Actually, I am blessed with very good friends. So whenever I felt low, I have some of my school friends. So I'll just go with them and chit chat, spend some 3-4 hours with them, and it was like very refreshing. So it was like whenever I'm feeling low, or someday, like once in a month, 2-3 once or twice in few months, I used to meet them, and I used to we used to talk about our school days, what we did in those times. So that is very refreshing. That was like my escape, or what we say, hobby kind of thing.
Also, I heard from you, Sneha has very great taste in music. So, like someone like myself who will never get away from music, it's very hard for me to take it out of my head. So, how you used to do it?
Actually, I heard it. I saw a video in YouTube. I don't remember actually whose video was that. But it was like whenever we see a movie or whenever we hear some music, our brain gets a positive feeling or some happiness from that, like movie or feeling, music. So if I'm listening a song and I'm feeling happy, then just in 1 minute I'll switch to my studies. So here are my problems and I have to solve them. Those are not easy. We need to put efforts in them. So our brain will feel like, oh, what a struggle this is. So whenever and I'll feel like going back to listening to my playlist playlists or songs, whatever.
Mhm.
So it was like they said that try to give your brain that happy feeling by achieving your targets. If you are solving few problems correctly, your brain will get that happy feeling, and try to be addicted to that happy feeling instead of being addicted to music or movies. That movie will give you temporary like 2-3 days of happiness or motivation, but achieving your daily target, you will keep on progressing. Like I remember like a few months before GATE, I reduced listening to music, and that positive feeling I used to get from
Solving the sums,
yeah,
yeah.
solving the sums, because these songs will give you positivity, then your brain will not feel like putting efforts and struggling here. So, but when you solve the problem, you get the same positivity, and that keeps you. And this, after achieving your daily targets, you will be actually progressing. If you listen same music, you get happiness every day. You will be there at the same point. You will not be progressing. So try to get that happiness from studying and achieving small targets. Like, it is not about a large target. It is about consistency, daily putting some inputs and achieving small targets.
We really learned something from this. So, sir, I want to ask you, what were your expectations from Sneha?
So actually I had initial expectations, right, that there is no doubt, right, the way she was performing, she will definitely get actually in the top 1000, right, and actually she has achieved much better than that one. Even I have expected, right, at the last moment, if she would have been a bit more interactive in terms of the discussion, so she would have been got actually single digit or 2-digit ranks. Because once you have a proper knowledge, then actually application of those knowledge with discussion, it matters a lot. Somewhere actually she missed that particular connects, and due to this, right, there may be, right, she missed out a couple of problems, and she is securing rank within actually 400 ranks, right. Probably if she would have been done those 1 or 2 problems more, so definitely her rank will be somewhere closer to the 100 ranks. But still, it's a very good performance, because in this COVID situation of last 1 year, right, people don't know how we'll prepare the exam, when actually GATE exam will be arranged and all those things, right. And you are not able to meet with your teachers, right, on the regular basis as you earlier used to meet. And as everyone have seen here, right, in front of individual, right, initially she is a bit kind of a shy and very difficult to explore her. And everyone have seen in this interview, right, how I took her questions and discussed the things and explore her, right. And after that, actually, then she has given whatever is actually in her mind. So definitely, she require, right, someone who can motivate her, guide her, right. The person has to put a bit efforts, take things out from the Sneha. So that she actually missed into that online classes. And it is a very live example in front of everyone in this interview process.
So, Sneha, what will you give us the tips for next batch 1 week before preparations of GATE? Did you used to study 1 week before, or you just were like, okay, now I'll chill, I will study?
Actually, in last 20 days or 25 days, I used to give full length test. Means actually majority of my portion was covered before the pandemic started, and some subjects like I had covered 2 or 3 times, because with sir I used to attend a few Dadar classes as well as Thane classes. So majority and lot of portion was covered before pandemic. And after that, what I used to do was solve problems, and 2 subjects were left that I had to cover. But in last 20-25 days, I used to solve test series, full length test, to get a feeling of how actual GATE exam will be, to get comfortable. And actually, in 1 week, I used to revise all the subjects. Means Monday 1 subject, 1 or 2 subjects. Like every week I used to go in a cycle, like every week all the subjects I'll be able to revise. And revision is not that tough. Like if you know, then you can revise all the subjects in 1 week time span. And because we know our weaknesses, so we have to touch only those topics which we are not strong in. So I used to keep that revision cycle from after in pandemic actually, and that revision cycle was continued till GATE exam. And just 20-25 days I used to give full length test and analyze what all problems I have done wrong or like that. Full length test, actually test series are very helpful. You get an idea of what actually the exam will be. And at that when I was giving actual GATE exam, I did not feel as if I was giving actually GATE. I was not in a tension at all. So it is because I was comfortable on giving multiple tests before that exam.
Okay, so you will recommend us to start solving papers and giving exams.
Start being comfortable with the pattern of our exam. How that you should not sir also used to say that you should be very comfortable like in giving all means. You should solve that many full length tests before GATE exam, that on that exam you will feel like this is also one of those test series. Sir used to say.
Yeah, so feel always your exam as a kind of a test, right?
Yeah.
You are giving the trial, so you will have a less pressure. And if you have gone through the similar kind of situations, right, into the past, then you will never feel that it is an exam. But if you prepare well and you are appearing less number of a test, then always you will have a kind of a fear, right? Overburden, something is going in your backgrounds, right? If it will not, right, I will not succeed, then what will happen? If I will not succeed, then what will happen? But if you have given ample of amount, right, 60 test series, 70 test series, right, then automatically these kind of things will go.
So I used to tell all these things to Arushi and our seniors. So I used to listen, yeah, we have to solve a lot of test series, so we'll not feel that tension in our exam actually GATE exam.
Okay, so you used to learn from seniors, and sir is always so supportive.
Yeah, sir is so motivating. Actually, if this pandemic would not have been there and everyday actual classes would have been conducted, like I think I would have scored much better than what I have scored, because sir actually is telling after pandemic started, after a few months, actually I started interacting less, and actually I'm accepting that is my fault. So I don't know, I started interacting less. So if I would not have done that, I'm sure sir would have taken me a lot higher than what I am.
And sir is always available for all of us.
Yeah.
Whenever you want to solve a doubt, and if it is offline, then you can always go to sir and ask very stupid doubts. And I have done that many times. So we all know that. So it was a great pleasure talking with you, Sneha, and I hope our audience will find you so motivating. So we will be back with our new topics, new sessions. So stay tuned. Thank you.